Hello, I'm Christina from Shanghai Handy Medical Equipment Company. Our factory dedicated to dental digital imaging system. We focus on producing different types of intraoral cameras, digital X-ray sensor, dental operatory LED lamp, for export, for OEM business, or with private label all over the world. In the following content, we are so glad to introduce our HDR X-ray sensor. We will see how to install Handy Dentist software, how to use HDR sensor, and the brief introduction about Handy Dentist software. First step, let's get started to install Handy Dentist software. Please put the CD that we provided into the CD-ROM of the computer. And then, around within 1 minute, there will be an auto-run program working automatically. But if this auto-run program does not work, we need to open it manually. Please click on computer icon on the desktop, and here this is a disk that we provided within our software and the program inside. Please click on Auto-Run to open it manually. First, please click on the button Install the software. Next, in this step, we can modify the software installed destination folder. The default installed destination folder will be in Disk C, Program Files, Handy Dentist. Of course, we can change it. Click on Browse button. We can select where we want to save the software program and the database. Next, install, finish. So now the software has been installed successfully and it was launched automatically. And we will see on the desktop there's a software icon. Now we come to the second step, install the calibration file. Please pay attention that this step is very important because if we do not install the calibration file, we may find there are some problems with the image that we captured later. If we do not install the calibration file, we may find some lines, vertical line or horizontal lines appearing on the image. But after we install the calibration file to calibrate it, there will be no problem. So please remember that as soon as we finish the software installation, we must install the calibration file. Please click on Browse CD and we will find a folder. The folder name is calibration file. Open it and we will find there are 3 calibration files inside of this folder. And in front of this file there are some numbers, and these numbers should be exactly the same with the sensor serial number that you are going to use. Each sensor, they have their unique serial number. At the same time, the calibration files are also unique to each sensor. To install the calibration file, please just copy these 3 calibration files and then we need to paste it then to be the software installed destination folder. And this Handy Dentist software we installed in my computer's Disk C, Program Files, Handy Dentist folder. And then we need to paste all 3 calibration files into this folder. And now we have finished the installation of calibration file. Please attention that each sensor, they have their own unique calibration file. So later if we change another new sensor for working in this computer, we also need to copy and paste that sensor's calibration file into this Handy Dentist folder. And all this copy and paste of different sensors calibration file just need for one time and then it can use forever. Next, the third step is install the driver. Actually, this HDR digital X-ray sensor is set with built-in driver, so this is free driver. We needn't install a separate driver program. We just need to connect the sensor to the computer, and then the computer will detect the sensor automatically. Next one, software installation. After we install the software, this would be a trial version, unregistered, and this software can work for 30 days. After 30 days, the software will ask you to register it. How to register the software? Please click on Browse CD, and we have a guide inside of CD, Handy Dentist Registration Guide. And we will see together how to register the software. Please click on Help in the menu bar and then select Register. And here we need to input some information, company name and email. And please see here, after these two frames, there are two star icons, and this means that these two items that we must fill in. For example, and then we click on Send Registration. We will see an email jumping out and with the information that we input just now. So please send this email to tina@handycreate.com if this computer is connected with the internet. But if your computer without internet connection, please copy all this information to another computer and send it to tina@handycreate.com. As soon as we receive your registration application, we will send back the key to you. And as soon as you receive the key, please input the key here and then activate the software. For example, here is the key, and then we input the key here and click on the button Activate Software. The system will note that congratulations, this software has been registered successfully. Okay, so now we see here the software has been registered successfully, and these items will show the company name that we input here. So whatever the company name it is, it will after register, it will show here.